Alright, I'm going to do a quick little rundown. I'm at Walmart here. See, we're at Walmart. Can you see it? Here's Walmart. Alright, I've got myself some chips. Watch these damn seagulls get aggressive. Look, I'm just waving my hand. They're not even near me. But there's, oh, here comes one. Look, he sees that orange. Look at this shit. Here they come. Here they come. They're all coming now. They're all gonna be here. Watch it. Yes. 2 seconds, man. Holy shit. They're all over the car. They're fighting. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah. Get it. Who's got this 12 gauge? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here you go, gals. Hell yeah. Yeah. Get her done.